Hello student, good morning all of you. I hope you all are fine. I Neeraj Khare as a biology teacher of class 10th. So dear student, today we start 6th chapter for a revision, part 5th. So dear student, today we start glands of human digestive system are salivary glands. Salivary glands in our mouth produce the saliva which contain the enzyme is called salivary amylases, which digests the starch is a carbohydrate present in the food into the sugar and chemical digestion. So dear students, salivary gland in our mouth produce the saliva which contains the enzyme is called salivary amylase which digests the starch present in the food into the sugar, the chemical digestion. In the pancreas, so pancreas gland lies behind in the lower portion of the stomach. Pancreas lies behind the lower portion of the stomach. It secretes the pancreatic juice, which contain the many digestive enzymes. Pancreatic amylases, the trypsin and the lipase. Third one is liver. Liver secretes the greenish yellow liquid called bile. The bile is temporarily stored in gallbladder before it is sent to small intestine through bile duct. Liver secretes the greenish yellow liquid called bile. The bile is temporarily stored in gallbladder before it is sent to small intestine through bile duct. Working of digestive system. First one, the ingestion in the human beings food is instilled through the mouth. In human beings, food is instilled through the mouth. The food is put into the mouth with the help of hand. The food is put into the mouth with the help of hands. Digestion. We start digestion. First one is the mouth. The digestion of food beginning in the mouth itself. First one, the digestion of food beginning in the mouth itself. The teeth cut the food into the small pieces, chew and grind it. That is a physical digestion. The salivary gland in our mouth produces saliva, which contain an enzyme salivary amylases, which digests the starch present in the food into sugar, the chemical digestion. Second step, the salivary glands in our mouth produce saliva which contain an enzyme salivary amylases which is digest the starch present in the food into sugar. Our tongue help in the mixing the saliva with the food. And next one, the digestion of food remain the incomplete in mouth. Digestion of food remains the incomplete in mouth. Second step, the esophagus and the food pipe. Esophagus and food pipe. Our name is food pipe. The slightly the digestive food in the mouth is swallowed by the tongues and goes down the food pipe is called esophagus. The slightly digested food in the mouth is swallowed by the tongues and goes down the food pipe is called esophagus. Third one is stomach. The stomach is the J-shaped. The alphabetical order is J. So our stomach is the J-shaped. Organs present on the left side of the abdomen. presence of left side of the abdomen. The stomach balls contain three tubular glands in its balls which secretes gastric juice. In its balls which the secrete gastric juice, the stomach balls contains three tubular glands in it the balls which secrete gastric juice. The gastric juice contain three substances hydrochloric acid, it is short form is HCl, enzymes, pepsin and mucus. The gastric juice contain three substances. First one is hydrochloric acid, second enzymes, pepsin and mucus. The hydrochloric secretes and the acidic medium which the facilitates the action of the enzyme pepsin digestion of protein. Digestion of protein. The hydrochloric secretes and the acidic medium which facilitates the action of the enzymes the pepsin digestion of protein. The partially digested food then goes from the stomach into the small intestine. The partially digested food then goes from the stomach into the small intestine. That means small intestine from the stomach, the partly digested food enters the small intestine. The small intestine is the largest part, about the 6.5 meter of the alimentary canal. The small intestine is the largest part, about the 6.5 meter of the alimentary canal. The small intestine is a very narrow and arranged in the form of a coil in our belly. The small intestine in human beings is the site of complete digestion of food, carbohydrate, proteins and fat. The small intestine in human being is the site of complete digestion of food like the carbohydrates, proteins and fats. Dear students, the small intestine is a very narrow and arranged in the form of the coil in our belly. So the small intestine in human beings is the sites of complete digestion of food like carbohydrates, proteins and fats. The small intestine receives the secretion of two glands, liver and pancreas. The small intestine receives the secretions of two glands, liver and pancreas. So liver secretes the while the greenish yellow liquid made in the liver and is stored in a gallbladder. Liver secretes while the greenish yellow liquids made in the liver and is stored in gallbladder. While it performs two function, while the perform two function, the make the acidic food coming from the stomach and alkaline so that the pancreatic enzymes can act on it. Make the acidic food coming from the stomach the alkaline so that the pancreatic enzymes can act on it, and while salt break the fat present in the food into a small globules, making it the easy for the enzymes to act and digest them. The while salt break the fats present in the food into small globules, making it easy for the enzymes to act and digest it. The, the pancreas secretes the pancreatic juice which contain the enzymes like pancreatic amylases for the breaking down starch, trypsin for the digestive proteins, and lipase for the breaking down emulsified the fats. The wall of the small intestine contains glands which secretes instill the juice. The enzymes present in the finally convert the proteins into the amino acids and complex. Carbohydrates into the glucose and fat into the fatty acids and the gl- glycerol. In this way, the process of digestion convert the large and the insoluble food molecules into small water soluble molecules. So, dear student, today's topic is complete, and send you a PDF file for the homework and online test paper. So, complete your work and send me. So, dear students, thank you.